You want some more lentils? You want more lentils? You want some more? You want some more? Are they funny? Are the lentils funny? Lentils are funny. Yummy. She likes lentils. You make her laugh. Do lentils make you laugh? Do lentils make you laugh? Do lentils make you laugh? They do. They do. You smile again. Aggie. Want more lentils? More? Here, we're gonna show the camera into the lentil package. It's very exciting for people. More lentils? I don't know why these lentils are so funny, but they certainly are. They certainly are. Maybe they just make you happy. Lentils make you happy? Do lentils make you happy? Yeah, little mouse. She's a little mouse. She's a little mouse. She's a little mouse.